everyone, it's finally fall, which means I get to enjoy my favorite fall treat, pumpkin muffins. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to make these super moist pumpkin cream cheese muffins. Let's get started with the video. In a large bowl, sift 1 3/4 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of pumpkin spice, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Whisk your dry ingredients for a bit and then set them to the side. Next, in a large bowl, add 15 ounces of pumpkin puree, 1 cup of sugar, and 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Then whisk everything together until well combined. Next, add 2 eggs, a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Then whisk everything together until well combined. When you're finished, slowly whisk in your dry ingredients. Whisk your batter until there are no lumps. When you're finished, set your batter to the side. Next, we're going to make our crumb topping. In a small bowl, add 3/4 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of light brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of pumpkin spice. Mix everything together and then add 6 tablespoons of melted butter. Use a fork to gently mix the melted butter into the dry ingredients until crumbs form. When you're finished, set it to the side. Next, we're going to make our cream cheese filling. In a bowl, add 8 ounces of cream cheese. Beat the cream cheese until smooth. Then add 1 egg yolk, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Then beat everything together until well combined. When you're finished, pour your cream cheese mixture into a piping bag. If you don't have a piping bag, a Ziploc bag will work just fine. Next, add liners to a muffin pan. Then add about 1/3 cup of your batter into a liner. Dip your piping bag in the middle of your muffin, then squeeze out your filling while slowly moving up. Once you reach the top, stop adding your cream cheese filling, move your piping bag, and add your crumb topping along the edges of your muffin. Repeat this process until you've filled all of your muffin tins. When you're finished, use a spoon to gently pat the crumbs into the batter. This is so they'll stay nice and snug in your muffin and won't fall out while baking. Once you've done that, place your muffins into the oven at 375 degrees for 18 to 20 minutes. Once you've baked your muffins, all you have to do is let them cool and then enjoy. This is optional, but you can also add powdered sugar on top if you want. And this is the finished result. These muffins were so good and they were super moist. My favorite thing about these muffins is the cream cheese filling. When I was making these muffins, I was going for a combination between the Starbucks pumpkin muffin and the Panera pumpkin muffin. And I totally succeeded because these were awesome. They're good for breakfast or as a snack. I totally recommend giving this a try if you love pumpkin muffins like I do. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!